Springs, West Winfield, Bridgewater, Coville, Exeter Center, Missoula Forks, South Brookfield, Leonardsville, and Hubbardsville. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Oneida County, northwestern Otsego County, southeastern Madison County until 6:30 p.m. At 5:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Brookfield, or 8 miles east of Hamilton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Brookfield, Richfield Springs, West Winfield, Bridgewater, Coville, Exeter Center, Missoula Forks, South Brookfield, Leonardsville, and Hubbardsville. The following is a special weather statement. For the following counties, in New York, Shenango, Madison, and southern Oneida. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of south central Oneida, southern Madison, and northern Shenango counties through 6 p.m. At 5:21 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Lebanon, or near Hamilton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Eaton, Hamilton, Brookfield, Morrisville, Plymouth, Waterville, Sherburne, Lebanon, Otsego, and Columbus. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Here is the National Weather Service forecast for Syracuse, Utica, Rome.
So that's a new weather radio going off for a severe thunderstorm warning. Didn't expect that. Well, other weather radios are turned off over there. Playing Greenville, ignore that. But I didn't have those on, or that one over there. Forgot I had this one on and it went off. So this is an Oregon WR3000. Just got it in an antique store today. Yeah, guess I'm under a severe thunderstorm warning.